So what I wanted to do was practice on my project that I'm going to do for plaid paints. So I've told you that they are going to feature me as one of their artists. And I had an idea for something that I want to do. And that something, where's my stuff? Oh, it's over here. And that something has something to do with shoes and a certain decoration that I want to have for Christmas this year. You love my shirt? Thank you so much. So these are some ratty shoes that I had around the house, and I say, if I mess them up, I mess them up, who cares? But I just wanted to try out making ice cream shoes. So if you look at my shoes, you can see they're nasty. Let me use the other one because I want to paint over that. So these are my nasty painting shoes. This has paint too, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to be covering it. But see how it looks like waffle? It looks like a waffle cone. Isn't that cute? So the first thing I'm going to do with the waffle cone is just make those indentations a little thicker, or a little deeper, or a little darker. If this is your first time here, welcome so much. Thank you for joining us. And basically, my channel is just a lot of fun with a lot of friends. Now I got to cut this. So if you're new here, please let us know so somebody can drop your channel, so you can all get to know each other. Oh, there, that one came out better. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to, because this already has lines, all I have to do is darken these lines just, wow. This is actually the exact, oh, wow. This paint is the exact same color, and this is plaid FX. It is the exact same color of this shoe. Whoa, pretty much. So I'm just going to cover those little, look at this. Wow. Wow. I didn't even realize that. It's a little darker, not too much, but just a little darker. All right, well, there you go. I fixed that. I need a darker brown, a little darker brown. Now keep the shoes, right? No, I still want to use these shoes as my test because I've always wanted these ice cream shoes. I don't know, have you ever seen these ice cream shoes that are out there? It's really cool. Just darkening it a little bit. I'm not going to go over the whole shoe. I'm just going to do the front just to get an idea of what I want to do. But what I want to do, these are going to be ice cream shoes because it already looks like a cone, like a waffle cone. I want to have gingerbread shoes for Christmas this year. But see how that's already looking like a waffle cone? It's going to be messy. It's going to be messy. I can fix it with the other paint, so. I just basically want to do the tip. I just want to do the tip. I'm so sorry. You've never seen ice cream shoes? Oh my gosh, guys, look it up on Instagram. Look up ice cream shoes. They are the cutest things. And they're super expensive. These shoes would go for like 300 bucks. I kid you not. It's starting to look like, you know, it's starting to look like a waffle cone. This paint is fabulous, by the way, because it stretches. It's, I'll fix those parts that I overdid, whatever. I overlap the line. It stretches. It's a flexible acrylic paint. I've never heard of that except for this acrylic paint. I also have shoe paint, but this acrylic paint should do just fine because it's flexible and it adheres to everything. This is the difference I want to show you. This is caulk. This is caulking. This is more cement-like. This is silicone. So if you're going to do this, you have to use silicone because it stretches, it adheres better. The other one would crack. So don't use that. Use this. It's probably $1 more. It probably costs like $1.99 for something like this. Almost. Then, the pièce de résistance, as they say. Right there. Put a little dollop. I am sorry, I keep like... And then these cherries, believe it or not, they have them at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if I want it that long. And then, you put the cherry right there. And there you have it. It looks cute. I'm going to put some chocolate now. If you wanted to, you can. I'll get a little bit of this, and I can put like strawberry or chocolate. Maybe I should make some strawberry. Let's do that. Give a little bit of white. Oops. Sunday shoes, exactly. I'm going to put a little bit of strawberry underneath the white. Just a little, just a touch. think that's good for now. Look at how cute. Needs a little more texture over here. I really like that. See the other side? I think the other side came out a little better. How cute is this, guys? I love it. So the only thing I'm going to add is more sprinkles. I think I have to glue them on or something, and I will be done. So thank you, guys. This was a quick one. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow night. And as I always say, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. Lots of love to you guys. I was gonna make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Well,
Oh!